Hey everyone, I'm Aradhya Gupte and today in this video I will be sharing the Elliott wave and time cycle analysis of the stock Tata Steel. Before getting started, a quick disclaimer that this analysis is only for educational purposes and by no means shall be treated as a buy or sell recommendation. So let's quickly get started, and this is the complete uh, primary cycle of Elliott wave cycle of Tata Steel along with the time cycles for the steel commodity. And I will be explaining both the cycles shortly in this video, and we can see at present the stock Tata Steel is moving heading up in an ABC zigzag up. In this ABC zigzag, B wave was a triangle, and currently this triangle's thrust has generated this entire move up since September 2015. In this C wave, the C wave is comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave, whose 1, 2, 3, and 4 are complete. Wave 4 itself was another ascending triangle, who is matured enough and given a breakout. This ascending triangle's thrust has completed its wave 1 right before the Iran-Israel war started, and since then the correction took the form of wave 2 zigzag and has come down to a point where I think that the bottom has formed. It is 16th March today, 16th March 2026, and I probably think that the stock has bottomed out and should very soon head up in a wave 3 impulsive rise. So before going into the targets, I will just quickly explain the multi-year steel commodity cycle. You can see every single trough of this cycle has given us a major turning point. So not a single time was this cycle trough broken. And we can see that the cycle which headed up in the month of since October 2022 is currently under progress, and we are most likely, I am expecting a right translation to be forming in this cycle. This cycle will complete in mid 2029, so most likely somewhere around here, in order to form right translation, somewhere around here, most likely mid of 2027, we might see a major top forming in Tata Steel. So this is the ultimate cycle overview, the complete primary Elliott wave cycle, as well as the complete commodity cycle, steel commodity cycle, and now we will be going into the detailed internals of this currently progressing impulse wave, and we will see what could be the likely targets, what could be our stop losses. So now I have opened hourly time frame, and I will show you how we can project our targets, what could be our stop losses. So okay, so in this wave one was expected to be an impulse wave after breaking out of the triangle, and we can clearly see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all the internals are also pretty clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the wave fifth of wave 1, whose internals are also very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since then, the correction, it was a sharp zigzag correction down, whose A, B, and C I have marked. And now if we see, if we let's set up a Fibonacci retracement, we can clearly see the wave 2 has completed at exactly 0.618 levels, and this golden ratio has given us a sharp bounce back. I am expecting wave 3 has started, and if that is the case, my targets for Tata Steel in the coming 6 to 12 months could most likely be somewhere around to beyond 270. Post 270, we might see a consolidation phase and again one more leg up in the form of wave 5 of wave C, and that could be the final leg up. And around 2027, mid 2027, I am seeing a major top being formed in Tata Steel. Okay, so this is a detailed analysis of Tata Steel, and hope you find it insightful and educational All the best for trading. But again, the disclaimer stands that the market always possess inherent risk in them, and for that purpose, a sound stop loss and risk management system is key. So in this case, in order to trade this move, Tata Steel will have a stop loss of 160. Anything below 160 will invalidate this analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such insightful content and videos and analysis coming in the future. Do join my weekly live YouTube webinars as well, wherein I share my Elliott wave perspective of the general overview of markets. Sometimes I share a few stocks charts, as well as most of the times I'm sharing my index overview. So do join in on Fridays, usually at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I usually come live and hopefully see you there. Thank you so much for watching.